What's good, everybody? Brandon here, Accent 86. So usually I'm not a vlogger, but I don't want today's video to be confusing. So what's happening tonight is I'm going to meet up with my buddy Noah, Z34 Noah. He will be tagged in the description, and Chrome VQ, and possibly some others. And Noah has a GTR for the weekend, and so we are going to meet up with him, go drive around in the GTR, go to the convention center and meet up with Chrome VQ. And then from there, we're either going to take it to Rodeo or go to the automotive meet in Anaheim. We're not too sure yet, but stay tuned.
I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be.
Yo, what's good, everybody? As you see, just met up with Noah, headed to his house right now, drop off my car, then we're going to meet up with Chrome VQ down at the LA Convention Center and see where we go with the rest of the night.
See me fall off, know that I'm never gonna lose it. Got addicted to the chase now. People saying that I changed now, know that I'm never gonna stand still. I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me. They treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me.
What's good, everybody? We're over here at a 7-Eleven in downtown LA with Chrome VQ over there, gassing out. Got a little refreshment. What do we got here? Monster Hydro Mean Green. Never had this before. Not sponsored or affiliated, FYI. But we're about to go shooting downtown right now, and then head over to the automotive meet more like tonight. It's kind of raining, so we're not sure if we're gonna actually head down there. We might just stick to LA and shoot, but yep, enjoy the view.
They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. I'm not doing this for the money, so don't misinterpret my last line. The weather ain't always been sunny, but I know that I'm gonna still shine. You never gonna make it till you got the power to go and develop a strong mind. Cause everything happens where you don't expect it, the journey ain't given a deadline. I'm going till I got a flat line, connecting with people like landline. I've been blowing up like a landmine, I put myself on like a combine. Knowing the way that they're going, I'm ready for more, I don't wait on the sideline. I'm feeling like 2011 when Drizzy was dropping them hits like his headlines. I don't understand what I can't do, if I cut you off then I had to. I'm staying up late like it's fast food, the life of a rapper who in school. I don't wanna hear all the people who been trying to give me advice. If you haven't done it before, then don't give your opinion about what you think I should go do with my life. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around. The gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash.
What's good, everybody? We're out here on Lower Grand in downtown LA. So we were about to shoot, then we stumbled across a little music video shoot popping off over here, and the guys asked if the G and the GTR, cannot speak right now, will be in it. So we're about to line up the cars over here and be in a music video.
I got my city on lock, I got the internet buzzing. Every song that I drop, you got the fireman coming. Bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me. Better believe that I be free in a big league, not pee-wee. And I got cheese like CC's, I'm never gon' flop. Looking back down from the top, never caught up on a loss. Ballin' cause I've been a boss, they follow me like I'm the law. Put all the weight on my back, gon' be a legend like my name is Shaq. Gon' be a funeral when I attack.
We just finished. I guess we just finished the music video shoot. We parked the GTR and the Infinity, all super sick. We got a whole lineup of cars back there.
They betting on me like Bitcoin. They wanted a steak like sirloin, but I be playing for keeps though. I'm stacking up green like CeeLo. I'm sorry, but I had to vent. Too many things to get off. Want me back, but you know that I be running to another level. Running. I won't ever.
40. You ready? You 40? Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I won't ever settle. Running. I will never be stopping. Real fans gon' play this, and I got the bass knocking. I don't need no label, no seats at my table. I don't need no handouts, cause the money been stable. Get ready if you check me, cause I kill you on the beat though. Man, this shit too easy, like I'm shooting some free throws. KD with a 3 though.
Hey, what's good everybody? We just got home right now. Everybody made it home safely. It's 2:30 in the morning, like 2 or 2:30 in the morning, something like that. Crazy night, random music video, some rolls. It's just wild. A lot of pulls, 1,000 horsepower GTR. Super sick night, super dope night. If you guys stayed all the way to the end of the video and watched everything, please do me a favor really quick and just drop a comment and tell me if you actually like this video or not.
I'm just trying to get it how I want.